Okay, so my job here now is to use mathematical symbols to show the order of the decimals. That is whether they are bigger or smaller. So if I look at this first one here, I've got 1.11 and the next number is 1.12. If I look in the ones, they're the same. If I look in the tenths, they're the same. But then when I look in the hundredths, I see that this hundredth is bigger. So remember that the arrowhead always points to the smaller number. So this shows that 1.11 is smaller than 1.12, or 1.12 is bigger than 1.11. But I'm going to continue the sequence, and I can look at the same numbers and go, the hundredth in here is bigger. So I can put in the symbol that shows that 1.13 is bigger than 1.12, or 1.12 is smaller than 1.13. But let's look at the second statement. So first number I got is 3.32, and the next number I got is 3.23. So if I compare the tenths, I see that this tenth is bigger. So I can use a mathematical symbol to show, with the arrowhead again pointing at the smaller number, that 3.32 is bigger than 3.23. Now let's compare 3.23 and 2.32. Well, I can see the ones here is bigger. So again, I need the arrow to be pointing at the smaller number because there's smaller ones. So look at the final sentence and see if I can put the right statements here. So I got 4.44. My next number is 4.34. Well, I can see that this tenth is bigger than this tenth. So I need to put it in my symbol to show that 4.44 is bigger than 4.34. And when I look at this last number, I can see that it is a 0 in the tenths, and this is a 3 in the tenths, so this number is bigger. So again, I'm going to have an arrowhead pointing at the smaller number. So your job now is to use mathematical symbols to order the decimal numbers. Remember, check the ones first, then check the tenths, and then check the hundredths to see which number is bigger or smaller.